Yeah. Yesterday we have discussed about the solar family. Eight planets of solar system. They were Mercury, Venus, Earth, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. We also got a few knowledge, few information related to each of them, as the condition of the size, atmosphere, satellite, etc. Then lastly we have this picture is on page number 48. Then on 49, page number 49, Neptune. The information related to Neptune is there. After that, how to remember the names of eight planet according to sequence. In your textbook, you can see the photographs on the page number 49. Do you remember the names of the planets according to their location? First alphabet taken from each name. My very excellent mother just served us noodles. This way, first letter has taken from each name of planet and thus started to make a sentence so that you can easily remember the names of. Now we are going with next topics, meteors. As I told
Okay,
Jagat
sir.
Asta, she will read. If you have textbook, you can start or wait for slide. Yes, if you have textbook, you can start.
Sir, I have no textbook.
No problem. Then wait for a few seconds. It will just start.
Sometimes it appears that a star is falling from the sky at night. Actually, stars do not fall. Small pieces of stones, rocks moving in the sky, or small part of planet are called meteors. These meteors are quickly drawn towards Earth because of gravitational force. As soon as it enters atmosphere, it gets a
Ignite, ignite,
iodide iodide due to
action.
frequency.
Yeah. Many times we have seen a star is falling, and we also ask something of we some kinds of wish, and we believe our wish will be fulfilled. But actually, that is not a star. Star never fall down. But that is sky object, maybe a stone or rocks, which is moving in the sky. It may be a part of planet or satellite, natural satellite, which comes to nearer the Earth, and because of gravitational force, it comes to nearer. It tries to enter in the atmosphere of the Earth. At the same time, because of friction, it start burning. That is called meteors. We also call it in our language ખરતો તારો. હકીકતમાં ખરતા તારા જેવું કશું છે જ નહીં. It is sky object like stone or rocks. It may be part of different planet or natural satellite which comes nearer to the earth, and because of gravitation earth catch it and it try to enter in the earth surface. As we know, earth is enveloped by atmosphere, and because of this it started burning, and we think a star is falling. These kind of things we have seen many times. In many of the movies, we have seen that star is falling and someone asking, someone is asking about their wish. Yes. Next, continue. Next one is Nandini. If you have textbook, you can start in the same paragraph. At this time, a bright light.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, the screen has been presented.
At this time, a bright line is seen in the sky. Sir, 1 minute. For which we say that star is falling, some of matters which are not burnt fully.
Cause
Sir, screen is
the
okay, sir.
screen is there, better.
Of matter which are not no, which are not burnt fully. Case huge cracks in the earth. Koyana Lake of Maharashtra is believed to be composed due to falling of such meteorites in Saurashtra near Dajala, a meteoric land fallen which weighed 40 kg.
Everyone who started sharing their screen, stop sharing. No one will share their screen.
Sir, completed.
I know. Yeah, as we have just discussed, sky objects falling on the earth and because of friction it started burning. We call it falling star or meteors. But actually it is sky object. During the time when it is the process is going on, we see a bright line in the sky. And because of this line, we think star is falling. Some meteors which are not burnt fully, most of them burn there in the sky, but some of them which are huge in size and so that they cannot burn fully during this process and they reach towards the land. We have some examples like Koyana Lakes of Maharashtra. We believe that, or our scientists believe that, this lake means Koyana Lake of Maharashtra. Keep in mind Koyana Lake plus Maharashtra, it may be in objective. It is because of this kind of object. Beside this, second example is in Saurashtra, Dajala, near Dajala. Meteoritic had been fallen, means this kind of object has been fallen and its weight was about 40 kilogram. This way we can check or we have a proof related to this. Next one that we will read when slide present.
Sir, your screen is not available.
It's coming beta.
Yes.
It takes some few seconds.
સર તમે હે ને એમાં બોલો ને એટલે સ્ક્રીન બની જાય આપણે સ્ક્રીન કરવી પડે.
Sir, your voice is not coming properly.
Screen is there but why it isn't coming properly?
પ્રેઝન્ટ સર
Sir, your
પ્રેઝન્ટ બંધ થઈ
voice
ગયું લાગે.
Keep in mind
તેમાં તમારું ત્રીજા નામ ઉપર સ્ક્રીન આવે છે.
others who have shared their
ટીચર સર કમિંગ
screen stop sharing and you can touch my name. There is you can see a pin. Touch the pin so that you can see only my screen. Okay, touch the pin on my name. Suppose K is there. So you can see only my screen.
સર
સર સી
Just a minute.
સીન
Can you see?
યસ સર
Very good.
સર નો આવતી હોય ને તો તમારું ત્રીજું નામ આવે ને એની ઉપર આવે છે સ્ક્રીન.
હજી એક નામ છે ને એની ઉપર જ આવશે, બધા નામ ઉપર નહીં આવે.
Sir, નથી આવતું મારી સ્ક્રીનમાં.
સર કેન આઈ રીડ?
સર એમાં તમારું નામ ને પ્રેઝન્ટિંગ લખ્યું
Sir,
છે ને
ક્યાં સુધી
એમાં
રીડ કરવાનું છે? મારી પાસે છે જ
મારું
નહીં.
નામ લખ્યું છે ને માઇક ઓન છે ને એમાં આવશે. એમાં તમે
ના
ક્લિક કરો.
સર એમાં નથી આવતી.
સર પ્રેઝન્ટ ટેન્સ પ્રેઝન્ટ લખ્યું છે ને એમાં આવે.
સર ત્રીજામાં આવે છે.
Okay, let's continue.
Okay, sir.
તો
In
લાખાણીઓ
Vidus,
પ્રેઝન્ટ સ્ક્રીન કરે છે ને એટલે તમારી સ્ક્રીન વહી જાય છે.
Akhani Yog, how many times I have to share? Because of this kind of disturbance, I did not share video like yesterday. Otherwise, I will block you permanently. And your parents has to visit the school.
sir, can I start reading?
Yes, continue.
In wider scenes, any set of stars or even a single star is called constellation. Some of the constellations have specific space because of the mass of stars. It sometimes look like a goose and sometimes like an eagle. There are total 27 constellations like Ashwini, Revati, Vishaka, Punarvasu, Orion, Rohini, Pushya, Arya, Swati, etc. 2 or 3 constellations surround the moon for which we have to look at sky continuously.
Yes.
Remembering
Now stop. Because of space, when there is big paragraph, it cannot be included in slide. Otherwise, it is much difficult to read. In wider sense, after this, you continue, okay? Whoever read last, continue. In wider sense, any set of stars. Now, what is constellation? Any set of stars, even a single star, is also called constellation. In our language, we call it nakshatra. There are 27 constellations, and we have there with specific shape. And because of its shape, one or many stars combinedly make a shape of some particular design, animal, etc. And these were given the name. For example, Ashwini, Rohini, Revati, Vishakha, Punarvasu, Orion, Pushya, Arya, Swati. These are some of the names of 27 constellation. Whatever your names in our Hindu culture, when we name our newborn children, at that time we follow this. આપણે રાશિ પ્રમાણે નામ કહીએ ને, એ નક્ષત્રના હિસાબે એના આધારે આપણે રાશિ નક્કી થાય, 12 રાશિ મુજબ. And according to this, we make our name. 2 or 3 constellations surrounded the moon, for which we have to look at the sky continuously. In sky observation, when we observe the sky, at that time we can see this constellation. It may be possible some of you have visited Porbandar. પોરબંદરમાં જવાહરલાલ નહેરુ ઓડિટોરિયમ છે, ત્યાં સ્કાય ઓબ્જેક્ટનું કરાવે છે. Beside this, near Okha, it is an island, Dani Island. There is tours for only students. Here, they show us, it is the 3 days and 2 nights program in one island. We are alone in the island. And here, one of the night, they show this. Beside this, they also help us to learn swimming, boating, and they show us sea creatures, different kinds of fish, crabs, etc. They also give us to touch and carry on our hands. If you have time, you can visit the place. Yes. Who was reading last?
પીપલિયા
Okay, continue, beta.
હેતવી.
Continue, beta.
સર તમારી સ્ક્રીન ઓફ છે.
Screen is coming there. What option?
યસ.
because I can see in my mobile what has present time on computer. I started both to observe you. Continue better. Slide has presented much part of slide presented.
Who have to read, sir?
Let we who read last.
Okay, sir. Remembering the names of constellation is not easy, but they can be easily memorized at sky continues uh, memorized by repeated viewing and understanding. Some names are remembered as they are associated with
Auspicious.
auspicious, auspicious work like at the time of Pushya constellation, gold and silver in purchase. This is information about our solar family or solar system. You still have to learn a lot about your home, Earth. So let's begin.
Yeah. Now we have just discussed there are 27 constellations and it is much difficult to remember their names. But when we start observing sky, start learning it regularly, at that time we can easily remember. Besides this, some of them are related with our auspicious work. Auspicious work means good work, શુભ work. આપણે કહીએ ને શુભ મુહૂર્ત. જેમ કે in Pusya constellations, we believe to purchase gold and silver. પુષ્ય નક્ષત્રમાં આપણે સોનું ખરીદવું એવું આપણે માન્યતા છે, શુભ કહેવાય કહેવાય છે ને. This way we can remember some of them. This is the information about our solar family. It is a little information. We need to learn much. Now we are going with our Earth. IE means example. Our Earth, location and shape of the Earth. First of all, Rishita.
Yes, sir.
Continue, beta.
Okay, sir. Location and shape of the earth. We see the sun and the moon shaking. How good it looks. Our earth is also such a sphere only. It is spherical. It is flat at both the poles. Some astronauts have gone up to the moon. They have taken Earth's photographs from there. From moon, Earth looks like a giant sphere. We are
Yes.
living.
Stop,
Okay, sir.
stop. Paragraph is over, beta. Yeah, we see the sun and moon shaking how good it looks. But our earth is also similar spheres because we are in the earth and so we cannot see it. Suppose you are in your home, you can see everything outside, but you cannot see how your home looks from the outside. Same thing is going on from here. We can see sun and moon, but earth we can't see. It is spherical, means whatever the size or shape we can see of the sun. Shape is similar, like earth, sun and moon. Our earth is also spherical. And we have also both poles. Poles means ending point. South pole and north pole. Some astronauts have gone up to the moon. As we know, many of the astronauts gone to moon. And they have taken photographs of earth. Who was the first Indian to reach on moon? Anyone remember the name? Rakesh Sharma. He was the first to reach on moon. And he sent photographs of the earth from moon. And we can see it is like a giant sphere. બહુ મોટો વિશાળ એક બોલ હોય દડો હોય એવું દેખાય છે. Next paragraph. કલ્યાણી રિયા.
Yes, sir.
If you have text, you can start.
Okay. We are living in a small village or city. The part of earth which we are able to see is a very small part of earth.
Thus, it cannot be said by us that Earth is spherical. Have you ever seen broken earthen pot? If you take a small piece of it in your hand, you cannot imagine that it would have been round. Thus, looking at a small part of the earth does not tell us that the whole earth is spheral. But now, with the help of photographs taken from moon and shape, we can say that there is no doubt about the earth's shape.
Yeah. We are living in small town or village or city. Here we can see, suppose Jodhpur is quite big or bigger, Rajkot is bigger, Mumbai is one of the biggest city. But from this a small area, from where we cannot imagine that it is a part of spherical. Means round. Think of my,
Sorry, sir.
it is round object. We cannot imagine. Suppose in every of our house we have a pot for drinking water. It is like
Yes.
spherical. But when it is broken and one of the piece you take, at that time no one can say it is round or spherical. Same thing happened with us. But with the help of photographs and proofs taken from the moon and space, we can easily imagine, we can easily say that earth is round or shape of the earth is round. Next page.
Sir, we will continue.
No, beta. Paragraph is over. Now let me check. Agravat Harmit,
Yes, sir.
page number 50, first paragraph.
Sir, I don't have textbook.
Okay, who has textbook? Asrajit.
Sir,
Sir, I have textbook.
Yes,
Sir,
sir,
I have.
Okay, no one, no one, no one, switch off mic.
Sir, I have textbook.
Vakasya Rajvi, Antara Dhyana, Antara Dhyana, Matsar, yes,
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
start. If you have textbook, start.
Sir, I have no textbook.
Bosamiya Rajvi, Patwadiya Kavya, Antara Dhyana,
Yes, sir.
do you have textbook?
Yes, sir.
Start reading.
Okay, sir. Earth is not round like a ball, but it is like an orange. The earth poles and slightly felt, and it's slightly infelt at in equator. The center of earth, the center of the earth is larger than the polar circle. We can know the volume and weight of the earth in order to study about earth. It is used as an circulation device. A map of the world is drawn on it. So what is this?
The globe.
The,
The globe is small replica of the earth.
the ball is a small
Globe.
replica.
Globe.
Globe is a small replies on the earth. On the on the circle of earth, you can show north pole and south pole with the help of globe. It can be said the earth is tilted towards
Tilted.
tilted towards one side.
Very good. Earth. It is round, but not round like a ball. Its shape is similar to an egg or orange. The poles means end is slightly flat. And when we reach to equator, it is larger. Means when we move from pole to equator, area is increasing. Area near equator is larger and area near pole is smaller. We can know the volume and weight of the earth when we study about it, when we observe about it. It is also we use circular device. Perhaps in the school, last 2 years you are not here, so I don't know have you seen or not. But there is a globe. When the school will there, I will show you. In here, after this slide, there is a picture. I will also show you the same thing. We are moving speedily because time is up. Next day we will start from this. Don't leave before attendance. Okay, from this page we will go. So that the pictures is in your textbook. You can see those who don't have textbook, I can show.